Welcome to day 2 of our training on the art of technical prompting. In this video, we will explore the essential operational protocols for instructing generative AI. We need to shift our mindset from viewing AI as a calculator which follows fixed rules to seeing it as an apprentice. Remember, while AI understands technical theory, it does not know the specifics of your workplace. A common mistake is using generic search queries. These yield broad, textbook-style responses that provide little practical value for solving specific on-site technical issues. To get expert outputs, use the RCTC framework. By tuning the dials for role, context, task, and constraint, you can ensure your instructions deliver precise, actionable solutions. First, define the role. Assign a clear persona to the AI, such as an expert industrial maintenance planner with specific years of experience, to help shape its perspective. Next is context. Provide the background by detailing the specific equipment, its application, and the symptoms observed. This helps the I understand the machine you are troubleshooting. The task component is where you state your goal. Clearly define exactly what you want the AI to produce, such as a step-by-step diagnostic checklist for your team. Finally, apply constraints. Set the rules that keep the AI within your boundaries, like formatting requirements, length limitations, or specific safety procedures to emphasize. Compare these two approaches. A vague query results in a generic answer, whereas a prompt structured with RCTC elements yields highly specific and useful technical guidance. Prompting is an iterative process. Review the AI's first draft, provide corrective feedback on the tone or technical accuracy, and refine your instructions until you reach the desired outcome. Security is paramount. Always generalize your data by removing proprietary information, specific plant names, or exact financials. Use standard industry terminology instead. Always follow the human-in-the-loop protocol. You must assess all AI outputs for accuracy, safety, and physical feasibility before taking full ownership of the final result.